If you are encountering an error message stating that running scripts is disabled on your system within PowerShell on Windows 11, there are a couple of scenarios to consider. If your system is managed by an organization or a company through a server, you will likely be unable to make the necessary changes yourself. In such cases, the recommended action is to contact your IT department for assistance. However, if you are the administrator of your system or have the necessary permissions, you can resolve this by following these steps. First, search for PowerShell in your Windows search bar. Once it appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. You will know you have administrator privileges when PowerShell displays Administrator Windows PowerShell at the top of the window. After opening PowerShell with administrator rights, try running your scripts again. This should resolve the issue. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.